Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 50. 천만에요. 천만에요. The word 천만에요 is a way to say you're welcome in Korean. Again, 천만에요 means you're welcome. How do we write 천만에요 in Hangul? This is composed of 4 syllables. For the first syllable, 천, we need to draw first a chiat character followed by an all character followed by a nian character. The second syllable, man, we need to draw first a miem character followed by an a character followed by a nian character. For the third syllable, we need to draw first a placeholder iyong followed by an e character, and for the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a placeholder iyong followed by the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these 4 syllables to form the Hangul of the word 천만에요. So here's a sample use of 천만에요. So you already know that a way to say thank you in Korean is 감사합니다. So when someone said 감사합니다, a way to say you're welcome in Korean is 천만에요. However, in Korean, there's a more natural way of saying you're welcome, and that is Annyeong. So to compare, Annyeong is more likely saying it's nothing or it's a small thing. So technically, it's a way of saying you're welcome when someone thanked you. However, take note that the literal meaning of 천만에요 is like declaring 10 million. But the connotation of this is that you're willing to do the same thing for 10 million times, which is basically saying that you're welcome when someone thanked you for a favor you've done. So with that, you've just learned 천만에요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 40 to 49. But don't forget our word for today, word number 50, 천만에요. And this is a way to say you're welcome in Korean. The first word for our review is 없어요, and this is used to say I don't have or there isn't. The next word for our review is word number 48, 있어요. This is used to say I have or there is. The next word for our review is word number 47, 정말, and this is used to say really or very much. Next word for our review is word number 46, is 미안해, and this is used to say I'm sorry. Next word for our review is word number 45, it's 집, and this is the Korean term for home. Next word is 시간, and this is used to say time. Word number 43 is 고양이, and this is the Korean term for cat. Next word is 학생, and this is the Korean term for student. The next word for our review is word number 41, it's 아니에요, and this is used to say it's not. And the last word for our review is word number 40, 네 or 제, and this is used to say yes in a polite manner. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.